From 6th of April 2013, we will have to start reporting PAYE information in real time. This means that we will have to send details of all payments and hours worked to HM Revenue and Customs every time you pay an employee or director at the time you make the payment. It is therefore imperative that you inform us of the date of any payment made, or even if no payment is to be made. We will continue to issue payslips for directors only on a quarterly basis, but we will report to HMRC on a monthly basis, as directors' payments must be made monthly to ensure that there is no tax and national insurance liability. Please inform LowTax immediately if you do not make a monthly payment. RTI will remove the need to submit year-end forms P14 and P35, but forms P45 and P60 will still need to be issued to employees, and we will still need to submit P11D and P11DB in respect of taxable benefits and allowances to HMRC. This means that we will no longer be able to backdate payroll, add employees, or make amendments for previous months. We need to ensure that all payroll data is accurate and in an appropriate format for RTI. The information that we submit will be matched against records held on HMRC's databases, and any discrepancies could lead to inaccurate tax calculations or trigger a compliance check. We will be running data validation checks on all existing data and will let you know if any of our records require updating. We will require some additional information, such as normal working hours, irregular payments such as casual employees, and details of lower paid employees below the NI lower earnings limit. There are no changes to the way that we need to report for CIS, including the filing of monthly CIS 300s. However, we will now need to report any CIS deductions suffered via the new monthly reporting system. If we complete monthly payroll services for you that do not currently include CIS, we will now need to have this information to report to HMRC where necessary. Once this report has been sent to HMRC, they can offset the amounts to recover against the payments that are due. Therefore, these monthly reports must be sent to HMRC before the payment is due on the 19th of the following month. There have been no clear directions from HMRC relating to the inclusion of the deduction of tax from subcontractors and the new RTI system. We can only conclude at this point that it will now be vital that CIS 300 and PAYE monthly submissions are made on time to ensure that the correct liability is calculated. Look out for any information requests that we may send you and let us have the required information as a matter of urgency. If you have any questions regarding RTI, please feel free to contact myself or any of the team at the LowTax Group.